very intimidating opening up your refrigerator that needs to be cleaned on the internet for everyone to see. But we're gonna do that. So it's not that bad. No smell. All right, the doors look pretty good. I can restock the butter. So I'm gonna stock it with the butter out of here, and then the new butter will go in the drawer. It's only been in the fridge a week. It's fine. 1 second. I gotta put my hair up. How often do y'all clean out your fridge? Is it on a schedule, or do you do it when you get groceries? This shouldn't be expired. Why doesn't it have a date?